We are back again. Yeah, yeah, we are live. Live, live. Live life, live life. So, okay. You are given a 2D integer array points where point I represent xi, yi represent the coordinate of ith point on the Cartesian plane. Horizontal trapezoid is a convex quadrilateral with at least one pair of horizontal side parallel to x-axis. The two lines are parallel if and only if they have same slope. Parallel to x-axis, okay. Two lines are parallel if and only if they have same slope. Return the number of unique horizontal trapezoids that can be found by choosing any four distinct points from points. Unique number of unique horizontal trapezoids that can be found by choosing any four distinct points. Okay, we need to return the number of trapezoids. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Fairly not a good problem. We points length we can have at least 4 points and 10 to power and 10 to power 5, 10,000, yeah? 1,000, 10,000, unit tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 points, and that can range up to 10 to power 8 to minus 10 to power 8. All points are pairwise distinct. Okay. Okay. Let's try to draw and see what observation one can become. It should one side should be parallel. Okay. Okay. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1,0 we have A point. 2,0 we have B point. And C is 3. Okay, 3 collinear points. Okay. And 2,2. This is 1. This is 2 and 3. Let's assume this is 1 and this is 2. We have 2,2. We have a point here. And this is D and another 3,2. Okay, and we need to join 4 points. One this is one quadrilateral, so one trapezoid. This is another okay, let me do it with another pen. This is another trapezoid, and B and another can we have one, and one is with A and C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 colors, so 3 points, 3 trapezoids, 3 here. When we have 4, we need to make sure that one side is parallel to x. Okay, how I'm going to do it. I'll fix okay, these three values have same y, these two has also same y, so they should be parallel, y1 and y2. Okay, okay, when I have same y, different x's, x, same y and different x, so they will be collinear, so they will never form an trapezoid. Even if I have 4 point, they cannot form, they will form a straight line. So I need to target different y's. They can have different x's, x, so that will make the at least one axis parallel. Okay, so for this y equal to 0, let me erase it. Y equal to 0, we have 3 points. Y equal to 2, we have 2 points. So we choose 3 from here, we choose 2 from here. 3 choose 2 and 2 choose 2. That will be 3 and 1. That will be 3 points. Okay. Let's see the another example. Oh, what is this abomination of my page? Now we have, let me draw x-axis and y-axis, xy. We have 0, 0, we have a point here, a point, another 1, 0, 1, b, 1, 0. C, we have 0, 1. 0, 1, we have C. Oh, sorry, that will be at the y-axis, C, 0, 1. And we have another point at same y, different x, that is will be here, 2, 1. Okay, D. So for y equal to 0, we have 2 points. 2 points. For y equal to 1, we have 2 points. So 2 choose 2 times 2 choose 2, we will get only 1. Only one trapezoid is possible. That is the answer. And let's assume that I am thinking of sorting all the points according to y's. Sort all points according to y, the y values. So I get y, some y, same y's, y1, and x1, x2, x3. And another will be x2, x4 something points. So I can merge these points to other points. Okay, how many points do I have? Okay, assume that I'm storing it on a hash map. y0, there are 3 points, y2, 3 points, y3, another x points. So how am I going to answer these queries? So I will I can map all the I can pick all the y2s and y3s if this is at least 2, so that will make it parallel. And I can also select another point from another, right? If I have 2 points here, I can select on different y's, yeah. Yeah, I can do that. I can still do that. Okay. Oh, how I'm going to do it? I'm going to fix one axis and count the others. If I fix this point, if this y-axis, I need different y-axis other than these 2 points, at least 2 points that can may have different y's. So different y's, I will get different trapezoids. So I will iterate it. I will go to y0. I will pick 2 points of the out of 3 and try to connect at least 4 points from the previous y's. Okay, that will give me answer. Yeah, I think we can do it. Hash map. I think we can do it. Hash map. No count. No, I don't need. I don't think we need sorting. Hash. Okay, let me connect my. It was fn 2 fn. Where is my fn? Oh, it got dimmed. Where is fn? I'm not able to write by the Okay, we need fn plus 2. fn 2. fn, where is the fn? I keep forgetting where is the 2. I got 2, but where is fn? Okay, here. It is connected. Okay, now it's working. We need a hash map of integer, comma integer, and result long res equal to 0, return res int of res. We need an integer to be returned. Okay, and we need a mod. We need to mod the result with 10 to the power 9. It will be long 1e7 1e9 plus 7 1e9 plus 7l. Okay, now and current total. let's make it 0. And for each we will iterate to the points. Current point, we are using same array of points, and we are going to put those in the hash map, right? By axis, if map dot contains key, why map not contains, if it doesn't contain that this is the first value, co, then I am going to put a reference to a y, array of 1 comma 0. Now else map dot put array of 1 comma map dot get or a default array of 1. Okay, okay, I don't need this if condition. I can use the get or default method. Did I make any mistake in the syntax? Array of 1 map dot get or default array of 0 plus 1. For different y's we are getting different x, so I'm not accounting for x, I'm accounting for the count. Now I'm going to iterate on the hash map for map dot get int map dot entry integer comma entry comma map dot set. This will give me a record of first value of hash map. Now I need the count, right? Int long count, convert the e dot get value get value. Okay, now I will select 3 values. Now I will select 2 values out of count. Now that will be stored in the result plus equal to count into count minus 1, right? Count into count divided by 2, and that will be multiplied with the previous count into count current plus 1 divided by 2. I will store this result on different value side. Int t equal to count into count y. Count minus 1. Okay, I will do this. And t2 equal to current into current minus 1 divided by 2. And we need to make this to be long. Stay with me, I'm just messing things up, and I need to take the mod of this. mod t2 mod equal to mod, and I'm going to multiply t1 with multiply equal to t2 and t1 mod. Now I'm going to add this to the result. Result equal to result plus t1 equal to mod, and update the current plus equal to t1 count, current total. Okay, let me beautify it, spacing. T1 mod current count. Okay, we got current plus equal count result. Yeah, we did. This will be in integer length, so integer counts. Why 1e9? Okay, I messed it here. So many hash masp. What is this? Okay, let me check again. Hash map, we have declared it correctly. New hash map. Okay, result is correct. Declaration mod long 9 plus 7, it's correct. Third statement is correct, and we are inputting values correctly in the hash map. We are iterating now. Entry set is also correctly. Count, we got a count. We are getting the how many different pairs of current count can be pair up. Okay, now current minus 1 by 2. Okay, this will give us. Okay, this gives us a result. Okay, let's submit it. Oh, why did we get wrong? Output 1, expected 0. Why is it? Test case. Where? What did we do wrong, bro? Expected is 0. Why is it so? Let's point it on the graph. We have 13, minus 13 and 17. Assume 13 minus 33. Okay, something here. And we have another point minus here. Other point B. Let's say. And y-axis. Y97. Y97, 91. 91 here, and 25 and 16. What is wrong with my graphing skills? No, zero graphing skills. Yeah, minus x. First point will be, let's assume this is 17, and minus 33 here. So A point is here. Another point is minus 26 around here, and 36. here, B point, and other point is 91. Why 91 here? This will be 25. This is minus 25. Okay, minus 25 will be here, B. Now this is C point, and 16 will be here, 16D. Why it's not a valid one side CD is parallel to, right? Which is parallel? Why is our result wrong? One axis is parallel to x-axis. The condition is satisfied. Another points may or may not be. Code, what did we do wrong here? Let's print the values. Okay. Let's an input and another test case another, where I am giving this 0 and 0. What will be answer now? What will be the answer? No, x-axis at, so this will be 0. This will be 0. Let us make it 0. This is something minus 10 something, and this make it 0. Now let's see the answer. Output expected 1. Why so? No, test case. We have 0, minus 10, 0, 0, and other points upwards minus 25 and minus 16. Right answer 0. Expected. Why it is expected? This x-axis minus x-axis 0, 0, 0, minus 10. Here This A point, this B point. Now C point is x-axis and y-axis. Minus 25 here, minus 16, sorry, minus 16 here, assume minus 16, so they will point to here and here. This will be CD. One side is parallel, right? Let's ask ChatGPT why it is wrong. Let x-axis, right? What were the points? 0, minus 10. And minus 25, minus 16, 25. ChatGPT also taking time. Okay. But we have same different for these points. Minus 16, 91, minus 25, 91, 0, 0, and another point is minus 16, 0. Let's assume. Yes. let's not do that. These 4 points can form a trapezoid because top AB parallel to x-axis. Okay. Yeah, this is A and B are valid. Why it is expected 0? Should it be on unique trapezoids? Let's see the hints. Match geometry, array, hash table. Yeah, I'm using hash table. Everything I am using it. Let's see the hints. Okay, for a line to a line parallel to x-axis, all the points must same y-axis. I did it. Group the points by y-axis. Choose two distinct groups to horizontal. Now choose two distinct groups, and from each group select 2 points to form a trapezoid. And all the points should be parallel. It's not mentioned, right? This is a very wrong behavior by Leetcode. Let's assume I'm making okay, I need only 2 points, right? I will use prefix sums then. This was long suffix array. Okay, I can use prefix long prefix array into new long of map dot size and a pointer for that equal to 0. Okay, this will I will add it to the prefix value. Prefix of I equal to current, no, count t1 okay, t1 mod 1 mod. Okay, remove this line. Now constructing the prefix array where int I. Prefix of I plus equal to prefix of I minus 1. Do I need to? Okay, I can make, sorry, no, current, long current. Current plus equal to prefix of I. and long answer, current answer will be previous, now current prefix of I multiplied by count current. I don't need to redeclare, I'm redeclaring here current, and take the mod, so equal to mod, and result less equal to answer, result equal to mod, and this should work now. Redeclaring it. Okay, I plus plus I equal to 0. No, I don't need to declare it in the loop. Mode, what is your mode, boy? So many errors. Now it's correct. Let's see. I've optimized it fairly. Prefix array, yeah, I got it. Let's screenshot this, boy. Yeah, we are done. Save photos. Time complexity is, what is the time complexity? N plus m. Yep. Okay, we need to make sure that all the sides are parallel. If one side is parallel, another side should be also parallel. Now at least one pair of horizontal have same slope. Okay, we need to make sure that 2 points are also parallel. Sorry, two sides are parallel, not only one. That was I don't think I will get it. My geometry is very weak. I still don't get why the both sides should be parallel. Okay, it is one of the four sides parallel to x-axis. At least one pair, like poorly worded. Okay, this guy is telling with at least one pair of horizontal side poorly worded. It does, what does this statement actually mean? Is it one of four sides parallel to x-axis itself, or two or four sides parallel to x-axis? Same, this is what expected is. Could have mentioned two of four sides should be parallel to x-axis. One pair is confusing in terms of, is it one pair of 4 points or one pair of four sides? It is really fairly very wrong question. Okay, we have done this, so we'll off the stream.